Lost and Found, a storybook by Next Schoolhouse.
Sophia had been walking for hours, chasing the story she thought she was supposed to tell. Glass towers, innovation labs, the future, framed in steel. But then she saw it. A hand-painted sign on a weathered pole. Pink background, blue-green figure, 4 red hearts. And in teal letters, you belong. In that moment, she realized the story wasn't in the skyline she'd been chasing. It was here, in a small sign on a quiet pole. And as the college streetcar carried her west toward home, she finally felt it. She already belonged.
You've been listening to an excerpt from Lost and Found, a storybook by Next Schoolhouse. Read the full storybook on Medium.